Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best tips and tricks to enhance your browsing experience. Today, we'll show you how to find the size of an extension in Chrome on your PC. So, let's get started. Step 1. First, locate the More button at the top right corner of your Chrome browser and click on it. Step 2. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access the browser's Settings page. Step 3. On the left-hand side of the Settings page, click on Extensions to view all installed extensions. Step 4. Find the extension you want to check the size of and click on the Details button next to it. Step 5. Within the extension details, you'll find the size mentioned, providing you with valuable information about its impact on your browser's performance. And there you have it. Now you know how to easily find the size of an extension in Chrome on your PC. It's always good to be aware of the size of your extensions, as larger ones may slow down your browsing experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing.